Hey, it's James Nicholson, and I wanted to thank everybody who came to the Traffic and Lead Gen Bootcamp. It was our first event, and it was a massive success. It seems that feedback we got from everyone that it was great content. They enjoyed the networking, enjoyed the speakers. So I just really wanted to say thanks, and we really appreciate you. I mean, it was a bit of a punt for you guys because it was our first event, and you didn't know the sort of quality of the speakers and the information we'd be sharing. And one thing that I said on the stage yesterday is it's great to go to events like this, and it is important, but you need to make sure that you implement stuff. That's important, that you go away and you implement everything that you learnt while at the event, and follow up on the connections you got. You got leads, you built some relationships with people at that event, so make sure that you follow up with those guys and basically see if you can do some business together in the future. Now, we've got the second event already booked in. It's in June the 3rd, 4th and 5th, and that's going to be back in London Heathrow. We've got Shah Wasmond already confirmed as our headline speaker, which we're really looking forward to having Shah on the stage. Now, we want to know who you thought was the best speaker. So I'm really interested to know who you thought was the best speaker at the Traffic and Lead Gen Bootcamp this time. So I'm going to put a quick poll below this. So if you can just give us some feedback, let us know who you thought was the best speaker, because we want to make sure we get speakers similar to that in the future. We want to give you guys as much value at these future events. So thanks again for coming, and please just take a quick moment to cast a vote down below. Cheers, guys.